I started working on sleeves and I'm making them with the same color combination, only this is the last row I was able to use this gray color, so I switched to this color and I will be continue doing all the way up. The same here, this is the last color of the gray and I picked this color here and went all the way up because I have only one skein or one ball of each color. Now with the sleeve, I'm still working in rounds, but I do switch the direction of my round. So technically I'm working with rows because I do want the stitch to look identical. That means I will see the right side and the left side of this stitch. Because if you work only in rounds, the stitch will look like this all the time. And I want to see the front and the back, like I did with the body of the sweater. Also with sleeves, I do not wait to the end to hide the ends. I just do few rows at a time. That way I have much easier access. Now I will hide these ends. I will complete additional maybe 5-6 rows, hide the ends again, and I'm of course adding stitches to my sleeve to make the sleeve wider and wider. Once I complete the length of my sleeve, I will connect here to the body of the sweater. Once that is done, what I want to do, I want to do around the reverse direction stitches to make a little bit more funky. But that's the update for now.